Okay, Mike, I've been seeing these little bees that act all crazy wild. They're just flying around, and I don't know what they are. They're not a wasp, and they look like a honeybee. Can you tell me anything about them?
Well, Dave, being out in the woods here, it's probably a carpenter bee. I was looking at a house the other day. This lady had let them go for about 10 years now, and they get up into your facial board there, and they'll drill a hole, and they'll nest inside of it. Once one gets up in there, then others are going to follow. And it's not something that happens overnight either. This is something that happens over years. But that's why you need to get your house checked out, because a professional will notice the hole and be able to treat it and seal it up before it gets out of control.
Okay.
They will do major damage. I mean, over a long period of time. It's not quick or anything, but you need to look for the holes, and they're mainly in your face boards is where they like to nest. And they will actually drill a hole in, and it'll be like this long inside there, and they nest in there. It's real easy treatment. It's just a lot of time to do it. That's why you want to keep an eye out for little round holes where they go into it, and you'll see them coming in and out. And
so on this particular house, there's a fascia, but the fascia board is actually a hardy panel. Will they drill through hardy panel too?
No, they won't. Hardy panel, you're good to go.
So they'll find the crack between the panels, and
right, they will find the wood. They like to nest up into the wood.
Okay.
That's one of the good things about having the hardy panel is they won't do that.
Okay.
But redwood is probably the one they love the most.
Sure.
The house, I saw a house up on the lake that is just totally infested. And this is a 10-year process, but it's eaten all the baseboards, and she's having to have all that pulled out and replaced now because of that, because she let it go so long.
And so the carpenter bees work kind of like carpenter ants,
They nest. They're not eating the wood. They're just getting in there and nesting in it.
Okay.
And they do reuse their nest every year. They will come back, or every season they will come back. And what's good about them is they let you know they're around, because when you're out there on your patio relaxing, they will come around and bug you. They will let you know that they are in the area.
Okay. Well, that's great to know. Thank you.